You saw right through every last bit of me. I should've known it from your energy. We've got this synergy. Your soul was close like it remembers me. And still to me, 90 degrees in California, you put chills in me.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys my natural everyday makeup routine. This is literally the perfect natural baddie radiant glowy goddess makeup look. Like, if you don't want to do the most but you still want to do the most but without doing the least, you feel me? If that makes any sense, this is the perfect makeup look for you. So if you're not like a full glam baddie black pink eyeshadow type of girl like my last video, this might be the look for you. This is super cute for date night as well. I like to go super natural when I go on dates because I kind of want my natural beauty to shine through. So this is definitely something that I would wear on a first date with someone. So if this Valentine's Day is your first Valentine's Day with someone and you're just getting to know them, I think you should do this look. This is like the perfect natural glam. I'm going to show you guys all the products I used, everything like that. This is going to be really quick. You can literally have this makeup done in 10 minutes and be out of the door. I promise you. So let's just get right on into the video. The first thing I'm going to do as usual is my brows. ABH Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate. Now that we're nice and close, I'm going to do my brows. I'm just going to fill them in like the tiniest bit, like really nothing crazy.
Said it's something about my city, Oakland girl, so damn hood, but we so damn pretty. Sometimes the town just brings you down, but we feel no pity. Don't need no extra bodies, I got that connect with me. It's why you connect with me, it's why you could step with me.
Alrighty, so those are my brows filled in. Just gives them a little bit more color. And just brush through them so that I don't have any harsh strokes. There we go. All right, so my brows look good. Yo, people always text me while I'm recording. It's actually ridiculous. Like, what the heck? Okay, so normally when I'm doing a natural glam like this, I wouldn't necessarily conceal underneath my brows and above my brows because I don't want my eyebrows to look like they're floating off of my face, because I'm not going to be doing foundation. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of concealer. So we're skipping that step completely. As you guys can see, I have freshly done brows, so I don't really see a need to clean them up because they're already crisp. I'm skipping that step, but yeah, my face is moisturized and primed. I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 360. And I'm going to go ahead and just put that underneath my eyes to cover these designer bags up. You feel me?
You can go hit the carpets, go ahead and get dressed with me, make me forget my ex.
I don't highlight my forehead too much because my forehead is already big, so let's not draw any more attraction to that area. Like, let's not. If you grow hair on your upper lip, this is a hack, okay? Put some concealer over here. Like, if you are in between upper lip waxes or threadings or lasers, however you handle, you know, the little baby hairs you get up here, I just like to put a little concealer just to, you know, hide that area. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. Yeah, it's the 110 foundation brush, and I'm going to use this to just blend out the concealer. And I try to blend this out really, really good because we are only applying concealer. We're not doing really any cream or liquid foundation with this, so you really want to make sure you blend this out good. That's decent. Gonna blend out my upper lip. I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy powder brush from Morphe. This is the, it doesn't have a number on it, but I'll have the pack that this came with listed in the description box below. And I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. This is one of my favorite foundation powders because it really just evens out my skin tone without applying too much product, if that makes sense. It's just a really, really nice foundation powder. And I'm also using this to set my concealer because I'm not gonna bake if I'm only applying concealer. I don't really see the need. You can set with your foundation powder because you kind of want to have a flat finish if you're not doing a full glam. So now I look really flat. You guys are probably like, ooh, pancake face. I feel you. So now I'm gonna bronze using my Sephora Canary Islands bronzer. It's this one. And I'm gonna use this stipple brush and I'm just gonna warm up my face. Because we just put that powder on, we gotta bring some shape back into our face. We don't want to look like a pancake, so I bronze with this, and as you guys can see, it brings instant color to my face, instant shape, and it just brings everything together. Ah! This brush is from Amazon, so I'm not gonna link this one in the description, but if you guys really want to know where it's from, let me know. And I just kind of put this in all the places that I normally would contour and just warm up my face. Making us look so stupid, not worried about these niggas and less issue than I'm choosing. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of a smaller brush and I'm gonna use this to just contour my nose. Oh, and before we finish up with the bronzer, I also go ahead and use the bronzer on my lid. My eyelids have like a natural darkness to them, so the bronzer just picks up that even more, and it just makes my look more put together without actually having to put a full-on eyeshadow look. So I'm just gonna go ahead, use that same small brush and apply some to my crease just to give my lid some definition. You're the right decision. Yeah, you got aspirations, you ain't fucking up the vision. See, it looks really natural, but at the same time, it just brings everything together. Next product I'm gonna use is my Sephora Colorful Blush in the shade Too Hot. I love that you never worry about any other niggas, only longing for persistence, only want some. Okay. Blush is done. Then I'm gonna set my face because we just applied a crap ton of powdery things. My Evian facial spray, this is just a water-based setting spray, and it's not mattifying or anything like that. It's more so refreshing, and for a natural glam, I don't necessarily go for a super matte look. I kind of want my natural oils to shine through, so that's why I would use something like this as opposed to my MAC Fix Plus Matte that I would normally use, which literally sucks up all the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, close my eyes. Oh yes, it just feels so refreshing. Like, I'm sorry you guys, it just feels so good. It just melts your makeup all together so it doesn't look so powdery, you feel me? The next step is to put on your highlighter. Even though it's a natural glam, I mean, you could opt to leave it just like this, but I have to have highlighter. I don't care how natural I'm going for, I still need to glow. The face is pretty much done. Now it's just time for lashes. As you guys can see, I literally, once my lashes are on and I feel pretty secure about them not falling off of my face, I go ahead and literally push them to the sky. Like, push them to the sky like this so that you could see them a little better. Because you don't want your lashes to kind of sit down. You want them to pop up. To finish off this look, I'm just going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm using the sample because why not? Okay, let me zoom out so you guys can see. You guys can see the final look. Okay, you guys, so this is my natural glam, and I'm really happy how it turned out. I'll have all the products listed in the description box below for you guys, and let me know if you guys want to see more makeup videos. If you guys like the makeup videos, feel free to request more of them down in the comments below. I can do them. However, I am not a makeup artist, so if you see something that I did wrong, feel free to educate me. Let me know in the comments down below if I did anything wrong, if there's anything that I could do better. let me know, but don't get crazy. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a video and you'll never miss a day. And when you're finished, make sure you comment down below #notification gang so that I can shout you out in my next video. I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.
She's a keeper if she got it on her own and keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. If she can keep it all running.